this revamped 2023 course, How to Become an Awesome Technical Writer with Help and Manual 9. Let's begin by learning what a technical writer does and what the technical writer is expected to deliver. In the IT industry, the technical writer's primary job is developing content for user manuals, user guides, knowledge bases, ready reckoners, online help, and help for applications, in a variety of ways that include print manuals and PDF files. The content comprises both text and images. Let us explain with an example. Say you are working in Google Sheets and you have a problem with the printing of the contents of the file. What do you do now? One way is to do a Google search, but Google Sheets offers its own help that can be accessed by clicking the help link here. A pop-up menu opens, and inside you'll notice a link to Sheets Help. Clicking on it, you are provided with more options. Here, under Search Help, all you need is to type print or how to print, and various help links are provided. Let's click on the link, Print from Google Sheets. Instantly, content on how to print from Google Sheets is displayed. Now, this content is written by the technical writer. Not only the contents of this link, but all of the content that these links display are written by the technical writer. Now, let us look at another example, the popular messaging app on Android, WhatsApp. WhatsApp's help is available online at this link. From here, you could either use the table of contents on the left to search for topics and questions, or search for topics in the search field by asking a question. All the contents pertaining to these questions were written by one or more technical writers. So basically, a technical writer's primary job involves explaining how a program or application works in lucid yet simple language that the layperson is able to understand. So, the first obvious question here is, doesn't the technical writer need to know the software or app to write about its functionality? Most certainly yes. But then the technical writer is not expected to know the program or app, and therefore, technical writers are thoroughly trained in the use of the software by the developer of the software. Technical writers are provided demos, project walkthroughs, and most important of all, beta software is provided to them. This enables the technical writer to play around with the software and take screenshots, which is an important part of the documentation. Technical writers are also provided with documentation of existing versions of the software. This happens when documentation is to be done for a newer version of the program. In most companies, a point of contact for the clarification and the explanation of the software is also provided. The second important question, what is the level of English that is required for technical writing? We have iterated earlier that for technical writing, just high school English will do. Let's take a look at the earlier help sample of printing the contents of a Google Sheet. Notice how the language is simple and straightforward. The text does not use difficult words, and as mentioned earlier, it has to be understood by readers of all levels of English. There are simple rules of grammar and style to be followed while creating the documentation, and these can be learnt easily. Also notice how images are also included in the content of the WhatsApp help documentation. We'll teach you how to do this. Check out our next video where we discuss a help authoring tool and also instruct you on how to download and install one on your computer.